अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने ईरान को अब शैतान बताया है और उन्होंने कहा कि ईरान ने 2 हफ्ते में 42,000 प्रदर्शनकारियों को मार दिया। ये डेटा भी उन्होंने बताया कि उन्होंने 42,000 प्रदर्शनकारियों को मार दिया। अगर अमेरिका ने ईरान को ना रोका होता तो उसके पास परमाणु हथियार होता और मध्य पूर्व के साथ ही यूरोप के भी टुकड़े टुकड़े हो गए होते। अमेरिकी राष्ट्रपति डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने कहा कि ईरान ने 42,000 प्रदर्शनकारियों को मार दिया। B-2 बॉम्बर से ईरान को हमने रोका, वरना उनके पास तो परमाणु हथियार होता।
We're in a war because I think you would agree we cannot let lunatics have a nuclear weapon. Do you agree? You know, their leaders are gone. The first set is gone. The second set is gone. Khomeini was gone. And they were pretty evil people. Not pretty evil. They were evil. They killed 42,000 protesters. 42,000. And in a period of 2 weeks, they killed 42,000 protesters. But we had to get this done, and we're really doing well. And they're getting decimated. They have no Navy. They have no Air Force. They have no anti-aircraft equipment. They have no radar. They have no leaders. Their leaders are all gone. We have to make sure that they don't have a nuclear weapon. We stopped them with the B-2 bombers. If we didn't do that, we would have had a nuclear weapon. Israel would have been blown to pieces. The Middle East would have been blown to pieces. I think Europe would have been blown to pieces.
डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने यह साफ कर दिया है कि ईरान के हाथ में परमाणु हथियार का मतलब है बड़ी तबाही। हम युद्ध में इसलिए है क्योंकि पागलों को परमाणु हथियार रखने नहीं दे सकते। ये डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने कहा। ट्रंप का कहना है कि ईरान अंदरूनी तौर पर पूरी तरह से खत्म हो चुका है, इंटरनली वीक हो गया है। ईरान का नेतृत्व करने के लिए कोई नेता तैयार नहीं है। ट्रंप ने तंज कसते हुए कहा कि ईरान इकलौता ऐसा देश है जहां पर कोई लीडर बनना ही नहीं चाहता।
You cannot give Iran a nuclear weapon. It's all, I think, you can. They would use it on a place called Israel very quickly, and they would use it in the Middle East, and they'd use it in Europe, and I guess we'd be next, and it's not going to happen. Don't worry about it. They have no leaders. Actually, their leaders are all gone too. It's part of our problem. We don't know who the hell we're dealing with. Call up, this is Mohammed so-and-so, and I say, are you a leader? We're looking for a leader. It's the only country in the world, nobody wants to be a leader. You know, they say, would anybody like to be president? And there are no takers.